Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to move elements in your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this was the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Webflow website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the options that you can access in Webflow. So as you can see right here, I can see all the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website I already created called YouTube Tutorials. Let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here, and this will now open up the website in designer mode. And if you look at the left and right side of the screen, you will see options for editing the website. At the left side screen, you can use these options to add new elements to your website. As you can see your components, your site settings, and so on. And the right side of the screen, you can use these options to style and edit those elements that you add to your page. You can change the color and so on. Here you can style option, the element settings, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and look at the website. I'm going to go ahead and find an element. So as you can see, I'm going to use this picture right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to move around the picture. It works the same for any element. So as you can see at the right side screen, we have now opened up the style options. So what we want to do is go ahead and look under style and find this option right here called position. If you didn't change anything guys, then it will look like this. It will say static right here under position. So what we want to do is go ahead and click on static and then click on relative. Select relative guys, and now we will be free to go around and move around our element by dragging these options right here. As you can see, I can drag it left or right if I want. You can see I can drag it left or right anywhere I want in the site. So as you can see, let's say I want it right here, and then I want to drag it a bit up. As you can see, I can use this option to either drag it up or down. As you can see, just move your mouse up or down until you find the perfect position for your image. I'm going to leave it right here, and this is how I want my element to be right here. So guys, basically you can use this option for any element. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.